I found a niche for you where you can monetize your YouTube Shorts channel without any problem. What's so special is that this niche isn't crowded like motivational videos, and you don't need any scripting or video editing skills. Now you might be thinking, how is it possible that I don't need any skills for this? Well, that's because we'll utilize AI for scripting, giving you endless video ideas. And that's crucial, because this niche is vast, allowing you to cover a wide range of topics. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. Look at this simple channel. He is making $800 per month. With this simple method, it only takes 5 minutes to make these videos. Before we get into editing, I want to give you some advice. If you have another channel or you're working in the content industry on TikTok, I suggest you take advantage of this niche. Start a new channel on YouTube and post these types of videos there. This way, you're not just relying on one thing for success. This channel offers 3D animation room clips. In this video, I'll explain how to create a channel, make videos, and publish them. First of all, we need a channel name. If you have any name in your mind, then it's okay if you don't. Just go to ChatGPT and generate this prompt. I will provide this in the description. If you don't like it, then ask 10 more. After choosing the name, we need a description for our channel. Ask ChatGPT to generate 1,000 words description of this YouTube channel. Now we need a logo and banner for you. Our channel for this. Go to canva.com and search YouTube channel logo. Click on create a blank. You can choose any of them. I'll pick this one. Change the text by the name of your logo. Then change the color of background like this. You can also change the color of font, like this. After that, click on Share button and download the logo. In the same way, we will look for a YouTube banner. Then you will see many designs. Choose one of them and work on it. I will select this first. I will delete the text. Then change the color of this light to yellow color. Then I will delete the picture and add the image of the logo in this way. I will rewrite it in this format. Choose it to be yellow and select the luckiest guy font. Then, we finish this. We download our banner. Now, we're going to YouTube Studio, and we're adding these images in their appropriate places. In this way, we put the logo here, and then the banner here. And we'll add the logo image here. and we click on Publish with this, our channel will be ready to publish videos on it. Now, let's move on to creating videos. As we've seen before, the channel publishes 2 types of videos. We'll discuss how to make them in this video. First, let's start with the first type, which is room animation. First, you'll need to visit this channel. I'll leave the link below the video. From there, choose one of the videos that you want to work on and download it. After downloading, open the video and watch it. At the same time, write a description of the video. Write down everything you see. You can write in your own language. Then, translate it into English. After writing our script, we will go to 11 Labs website to convert our script into audio first. We will select Adam's voice, because Adam's voice is relevant with this kind of videos. Copy the entire script and paste it, and click on Generate. And after download the voiceover. Then, we will go to pixabay.com for background music. Click on Music and search for Calm Music, listen to them one by one. Choose which you like the most, and download it. Now, let's open the CapCut application and add all the supplies we downloaded earlier. First, we'll add the video of the room and delete its audio. Then, we'll add the audios in the right order. We always try to adjust the audio with the scene. To do this, I'll select a short clip of the first video and speed it up. Then I'll add the second, third, and fourth audios. Once we've finished arranging the audios, we'll add captions. We'll go to the text option, then click on Auto Captions and choose the English language. After the writing appears, we'll select a suitable template and background and place it in the right location. The last step is to add the music we downloaded. We'll add it and then reduce its volume slightly so that it doesn't overpower the narrator's voice. And that's the result.
If you have 2 kids and 1 room, then a 100% problem will occur between them. So continue with me to change the room. 360 degree, even it's a small room, we will make it accommodate them. First, we will empty it, then connect with short beams, support with pillars below. Add push mattress.
Then we put